The power grid is changing, and at VoltaGrid, we're working hard to make sure we're staying ahead of the curve and contributing to meaningful change. In fact, we've reimagined what's possible for the future of the grid by providing large-scale modular power for even the most challenging or remote utility environments. Our intelligent, affordable, and turnkey modular system improves power quality and reliability while minimizing emissions for solutions in front of or behind the meter. VoltaGrid's portable microgrids have the ability to meet IEEE 1547 standards, and combined with our intelligent switchgear, it has the controls to ensure power quality for particular clients and demanding scenarios across all industries. In fact, VoltaGrid has the most energy-efficient and power-dense portable generation on the market and can be energized and meet full peak demand in less than 28 seconds. Each genset contains onboard controls that allow it to operate as a standalone unit or in a multi-unit configuration, so it's ready to meet your exact power needs. Our systems are built to keep your utility working with minimal downtime and hassle. Our generator configurations deploy in as little as 12 hours from the arrival of the units to the customer site to online with 30 megawatt service, reducing customer installation costs, simplifying installation schedules, and providing unlimited opportunities for scalability into the hundreds of megawatts. By combining thoughtful design and engineering and our expertise of operation, we've developed units with heat ratings as low as 7.8 MMBTU per megawatt hour. Plus, redundancy allows for high reliability rates, and smart switchgears allow units to run in their most efficient mode, resulting in reduced emissions and operation costs for our customers. Our on-site command center and remote operations center work seamlessly to ensure optimal performance and transparency for all installations. The on-site command center captures critical analytics on every installation, while the remote operations center provides advanced monitoring and access to predictive analysis, power delivery demand, fuel consumption, emissions, and billing information. Through our AI-backed innovation portal, we provide full transparency into real-time data, enabling customers to monitor their projects and make data-driven decisions with confidence. At VoltaGrid, we're powering innovation and changing the energy landscape 1 kilowatt at a time. Learn more at voltagrid.com.